Latch, I'm sure you did, and congratulations to the Latch team, sponsored by Latch, of course, the Welsh Children's Cancer Charity. And to present the trophy to the winning team, please give a warm welcome to the team sponsor representative for Latch, Tony Curtis, and Marketing Director for the Celtic Manor Resort, Vanessa Russell, who's done a fantastic job, I'm sure you'll agree. Give them a big round of applause. Commiserations to the Luxury Holiday 2 team, but you still get a bottle of champagne. So if you'd like to come up to the stage first of all to have your champagne, and thank you for entertaining us this afternoon. Come on, don't be shy. Give them a big round of applause. And now I'd like to call the winning team, the Latch team, to come up and get their trophy with their plate and also their champagne. I'm sure you can do better than that. They just won a match. Thank you. A big thank you to our sponsors, Luxury Holidays 2. Thank you very much. You're always there to support every cause, and we appreciate it very much.